Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this video I will show you how to create cartoon with Procreate. And how this work. So, let's get started. The first time you must do is, open your Procreate, set canvas to 2040 x 2040. Then, import your photo to the canvas. And scale up, because we need focus on the head and shoulders. Tap with two finger on the photo layer for set low opacity because we need this for tracing technique. Next, create new layer for line art. For this part I use technical pen brush. Okay, I will speed up this process because I don't want make you bored. Hey Karen. Play music for my viewer.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Next, create new layer for base of skin. Create new layer again and set clipping mask to the skin base layer because we will create simple shading on the skin. Touch skin base area for pick a color and set darker color for shading. Set original photo layer to the top layer because we need dark area reference for make a shading. On the first try you will definitely be confused about determining the area for shading, but if you keep practicing it, you will be proficient. Okay, then create a new layer for the white eye area. Create new layer again for eye shading and set color to the gray color. Okay, next step, we will create lips area. Create new layer for lips part. And set to the peach color, or according to your needs. Make new layer again for lips shading. Don't forget to clipping mask to the lips layer and set the color more darken than lips base color. Create new layer for the light lips area and set color to the white color. I will add lighting on skin part. Then I will create some blush onto the skin part, but I'm a man, so I don't know how to make good makeup hahaha. If my blush is right or wrong, please write in the comments column below. Next, I will create shading for hair part, create new layer on top line art layer. Actually you don't have to clipping the mask to the line art layer. But I made a mistake while taking this video. Okay, set color lighter than hair layer color. This is what will happen if you remove the clipping because I need this one layer to be clipped again, so from the start hair lighter part I don't recommend clipping mask. This is okay, I will fix it. Next, I will thicken the outline a little. Okay, the point of this tutorial is over. You can add your creativity, maybe by adding a background, flowers, or the like. It's up to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you like this video, don't forget you thumbs up, and if any suggestion, don't forget to write on comments section below. See you on next video.